Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A6 C6 key. First, ensure you have the right tools for the job. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit area is also important to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. This preparation makes the entire task much smoother. Now, let's get started. Begin by pressing the small release button on your key fob and sliding out the metal key blade. With the blade removed, you will see a small notch or groove inside that compartment. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this notch. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the circular battery nestled in its compartment. Gently lift out the old CR2032 battery, perhaps using the screwdriver tip or your fingernail. Before inserting the new battery, take note of the old one's orientation. Usually, the positive side faces upwards. Place the fresh CR2032 battery into the compartment, making sure it sits flat and securely. To finish, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the metal key blade back into its slot until you hear a click. Finally, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.